Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you my bike. I got some Haro bars, not sure on the rise. Pacific stem, not that great. Gonna get a new one pretty soon, hopefully. Got some Haro treads, front and back, with a Haro seat. And I think these are Mongoose forks, and I'm getting new ones soon, hopefully. Then 25-2 sprocket, and a Poverty 3-piece crank, and some GT pedals. All aluminum frame, not quite sure what kind of frame it is. And then I got some junk rims, and I'm getting some new rims today, hopefully. And I think that's pretty much it. That's my bike. Thanks for watching.